Picture yourself in the 2016 Ford Explorer. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Take on every project with confidence in this spacious, versatile Explorer. This handsome midsize SUV offers a solid, comfortable ride and options that let you customize capabilities such as towing and intelligent all-wheel drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, electronic stability control, third row seat, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Feel confident on every journey when you're behind the wheel of this Explorer. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.